In this video, I'm going to install Android 12 port on Poco X2. First of all, thanks to the team Warp for this beautiful Android 12 port. Hey guys, my name is Jarvis and you are watching Tech Jarvis. Let's roll the intro without any further ado. Preview. So here is my Poco X2, and first of all let me show you the current Android version and the current MIUI version. Guys, make sure your device is running on MIUI 12.1.3. If your device is running lower than this, then you have to flash MIUI 12.1.3, else your device is going into the boot loop. So as you can see, my device is running on MIUI 12.1.3. Now I'm gonna power off my device and boot my device into the recovery mode by pressing volume up and power key simultaneously. Guys, make sure any custom recovery must be installed on your device. So I'm gonna boot my device into recovery mode. My device is now booted into TWRP recovery. So to install Android 12 port on Poco X2, we have to download 3 files. First is the Evolution X, and another is Super.img, and the third one is Android S2, which is the fixed of Android 12. So I'm gonna flash first Evolution X ROM. Guys, flashing might take quite a while, so I'm gonna fast forward the video. Evolution X is now successfully installed. It's time to flash Super.img. So tap on install image, select Super.img and select Super and swipe to confirm flash. Guys, it also take 3 to 5 minutes, so I am gonna fast forward the video. Super.img is now successfully flashed. It's time to flash Android S2.zip. So go back, tap on install zip, and here is the Android S2.zip. Just swipe to confirm flash. Zip is now installed. Go back, tap on wipe, tap on format data, type yes and hit enter, and it will format all the data from internal memory. Format is now successful. Tap here, tap on reboot, tap on system. Guys, first boot might take quite a while, but don't worry, it's normal. So as you can see, ported by Team Warp. Guys, booting might take 5 to 6 minutes, so I'm gonna fast forward the video to make this video short. My device is now boots up successfully. So guys, this is how a UI looks like out of the box. Basically, if you are coming from Android 11, then you may not notice major differences between 11 and 12 because it is just a first preview of Android 12, but in the future everything will be changed. So let me show you the current Android version. So go to about phone, and here as you can see, Android version is S. It's mean Android 12. So guys, by this way you can install Android 12 on Poco X2. In the next video I will show you the PUBG gameplay in this Android 12 port. Guys, let me show you the average free RAM. So here as you can see, average free RAM is 3.7 GB out of 5.8 GB. So that's it with this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new here, do consider subscribing the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.